Hi all, welcome to Coding World. Today in this lecture we are going to learn about tuples data type in a Scala. Tuple contains multiple data types data. So it's same like a array but it contains multiple data types. There is one more difference between tuples and other collections is that tuples indexing start from the 1. For other data types which contains collection of data, for those, indexing start from the 0, but it is not the same case for the tuples. So let's see some example of tuples. I will create one variable which contains of integer, comma, float, comma, string. So if you print it, it should show that different data types. Yeah. So it is automatically finding what type of data you have entered and it's showing tuples one of int, double and string. So let's access the data from the tuples. So you can print if you want to access data from tuple, start from 1. So it should print element at first index. As I told in previously, tuples indexing start with 1. So it should print 1. So let's load the program. Yeah, it is showing 1. So let's do some hands-on on like tuples within tuples. So nested tuples to nest which contains array within array. Okay, so let's print this to nest. Check the output. Load the file and check the output. So yeah, you can clearly see that it's showing tuple in tuple. So it's nested. So we'll see how to access data from nested tuples. So if I want to access 23, I will first access third position. From third position, I will access first element. So it should print 23. Yeah, it is printing 23. So this is it for the tuples where you have seen that how to access data from the tuples and create the tuples. In our course, we are not using that much tuples, but some places we are using tuples situation. So I am introducing this to you. Thank you.